Hi, I'm Anupama Athreya. I'm a second-year MBA Communications Management student at Flame University, majoring in advertising and branding with a minor in digital marketing and communication. I'm passionate about brand storytelling and creative solutions, looking at some things from new angles, taking risks when needed, and building stories that land emotionally. That's why advertising and brand building feel like the most natural space for me and why I chose Flame. When I was looking for universities for my master's, I kept seeing the same kind of MSc marketing courses and they felt restricted to a traditional sense of marketing. Then I came across the Flame MBA CM program and the course outline blew me away. It felt like a perfect combination of courses, and the freedom to explore multiple courses across different umbrellas was exactly what I wanted. It reflected how the world actually works now, where brand, culture, digital media, storytelling, and consumer behavior constantly overlap. When I read what would be taught under each major and minor, I was floored because it felt so in touch with the evolving world and genuinely new age. It felt like everything I had wanted to learn in the newest sense. My academic experience here has been nothing short of phenomenal. From my first lecture as a CM student to now, it's been shaped by amazing professors and industry professionals. They've opened my mind in ways I didn't think were possible. The amount of knowledge they bring and how much they push you to think deeper is something I genuinely don't think happens everywhere. The projects are out of the box, but they're also practical and realistic, which completely changes how you approach a situation. And the industry professionals bring in real insight from the workforce and what the real world actually expects, which makes learning feel even more relevant. I truly feel like this program is for someone who wants to step outside what they think is possible for them. It's equipped with the right faculty, opportunities, and space for you to achieve great things and learn more than you could ever imagine. It's also ideal for someone who wants that learning to feel connected to real industry expectations through faculty input, visiting faculty sessions, and innovative work. And my advice to incoming students would be to be open to everything. Don't put barriers on yourself on what you think you can do and what you can't. Try courses that intimidate you a little, work with people who think differently from you, and take feedback seriously, even though it might sting in the moment. This program will stretch you, but that's the point. You're going to surprise yourself in ways you could never imagine. And after 2 years, when you look at yourself again, you'll be proud because you'll feel like a whole new person with so much more confidence and so many more possibilities.